the city, forever when my lovey, forever when my lovey, forever when my lovey. Down the city, forever when my lovey, forever when my lovey, forever when my lovey. Down the city, I'm gonna continue to give love and respect to those who appreciate and need. Another thing is that you are special to us each and every day. You bring love and happiness to each and every day. In our times of trouble, you always there for us, bringing us hope and joy with your loving hand. So we thank you for all you have done for us, and we want to tell you how special you always been. Written by
Happy birthday, Kochenta. We wish you many more years to come. I love our new birthday.